Welcome back to Learning with Our Difference, and this is Minakshi. Speech on social media addiction among students. Amazing. Just a tap of the finger, and we can see our favorite people. We can talk to anybody at any moment. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. This is Minakshi from class 9, and I got an opportunity to speak on the topic social media addiction among students. Social media is constantly changing and developing the world. Social media is a networking platform where people share their ideas, people share their views, opinions, audios, videos, their pictures, news using internet connection. And nowadays, it has become our society's central hub for sharing photos, feelings, and so on. We all know it plays such a vital role in our work, in our day to day lives. Billions of people have social networking accounts. They use Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn to stay connected with their friends and families. Experts says that every person spends about 1 hour daily on these sites. Billions of people update their status, count number of likes on their post, and all this shows that social media is becoming an addiction to the present generation. And who is present generation? We all. We are present generation. Addiction means crave for using social media more than our requirement. For meaningless purpose, we log on to our social media account daily. What do? We watch comments, number of views, we update our daily activities. And these are the symptoms that we can say the person is suffering from social media addiction. My dear friends, it harms our emotional and mental health. We become frustrated while comparing ourselves with others. We distract from concentrating on essential things in our lives. I just only want to say that we are students. We need to divert our attention to more essential things in our lives. We should think about our career and concentrate on our studies. Somebody said that it is okay to own a technology. What is not okay is to be owned by a technology. So kindly think about this. Think that am I a social media addicted person? And if answer is yes, then it becomes important to take action. And here I end. Thank you to all of you.